All right, so I've been seeing a lot of questions. What makes this storm that we're going to be seeing Monday a nor'easter? Well, it's as simple as just saying it has northeast winds impacting the East Coast. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean it has to only be snow. We've had several occasions throughout the last few years in Maine where it was just simply rain. So it can be either or of the precip types, and sometimes there is a potential for coastal flooding, which we have a very small chance of around 2 to 4 in the morning as we go into Monday. So dry at least over the next few hours. But do you see everything there in orange? That's a blizzard warning. So I've gotten the question too, will we see a blizzard? Well, it's possible we could see some blizzard conditions because we do need 3 consecutive hours of winds over 35 miles per hour. With blowing snow, reduced visibility down to a quarter of a mile or less, I'm sure we could probably get to that criteria, but it's all in the matter of timing and impact. We're going to continue to track that storm as it moves closer to Maine.